guardians, break through the chains, go free me.
Meet the 2026 Pagani Utopia, a masterpiece that blends science, art, and raw mechanical passion. At a time when the world is shifting towards silent electric efficiency, Pagani dares to go the other way, delivering a symphony of combustion, handcrafted luxury, and pure, unfiltered driving emotion. Today, we're diving deep into the Utopia, exploring its jaw-dropping design, roaring performance, meticulous craftsmanship, and the legacy that fuels its existence. Exterior design. At first glance, the Utopia doesn't scream for attention, it seduces it. Designed by Horacio Pagani himself, the Utopia is less about aggressive edges and more about smooth, organic curves inspired by air and speed. It draws design cues from 1950s jet aircraft and 1960s Italian Grand Tours. Every vent, line, and detail is functional, nothing is purely for show. The slate-colored exterior you see here enhances its sculpted form, accentuating the carbon fiber bodywork and titanium details. The butterfly doors are not just cool, they're a functional art piece, revealing an interior that feels like a mechanical cathedral. Interior design. Step inside, and you're transported into Pagani's unique universe. The cabin is devoid of giant touchscreens. Instead, you're greeted by beautifully machined aluminum switches, analog dials, and exposed linkage for the gear shifter. It's a celebration of mechanical beauty in a world drowning in digital interfaces. The seats are wrapped in handcrafted leather, and everything, from the pedals to the steering wheel, is a tactile experience. This isn't just a car interior. It's a tribute to Italian craftsmanship and attention to detail that borders on obsession. Underneath the rear clamshell lies the heart of the Utopia, a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine developed by Mercedes-AMG exclusively for Pagani. It produces an eye-watering 864 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque. But here's the twist. It's mated to a 7-speed gated manual or an automated manual gearbox, depending on your preference. That's right, a modern hypercar with a manual transmission, a true unicorn. It weighs just around 2,800 pounds thanks to Pagani's carbon titanium monocoque chassis. That's lighter than most supercars, and it gives the Utopia a power-to-weight ratio that's simply brutal. 0 to 60? Just under 2.8 seconds. Top speed? North of 220 miles per hour. Instead of large fixed wings, the Utopia uses active aerodynamics. Discrete flaps at the front and rear adjust in real time to optimize downforce or reduce drag depending on the driving situation. This approach keeps the design clean while making it a beast on the track. The suspension system is also advanced, developed in-house with forged aluminum components and adaptive dampers. Whether you're carving through mountain passes or hitting apexes on a racetrack, the Utopia stays planted and composed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.